Welcome back, everyone, to This Chick Details. This your girl Risha, and we about to get into some more things with the Knox. Okay. So remember, I said that I was going to replace the front driver's side fender on the Knox. Well, today is the day. If you can see this, see this. Yeah, today is the day. Okay, I put in an order for one last week and it should be here tomorrow. So we're gonna remove it today. Okay, have not seen a video yet removing the front fender on an Equinox. So we're about to do it today. Okay, here's my tools I'm gonna use. I got my little socket kit. A little tool remover for the clips at the bottom of that rocker panel. The screws take 10 millimeter sockets. Okay, so the Knox has 6 screws you have to remove in order to remove the fender. Okay, let me see if I can show you. Up here, there's 1, 2, and then 3. Then you have 4 right up in here. Then you have 5. And then you have 6. Okay, so we're going to get into removing the fender. If you haven't already, like the video. Subscribe to your girl channel, because I told you we're going to be doing some things. I love to do things like this when I'm not doing anything, when I'm not working. I love to work on the cars. But yeah, we're about to get into that. Excuse the noise in the background. My street kind of get busy sometimes. Normally I would remove the tire right here, but I'm going to see if I can get it without having to remove the tire. Okay, let me set this up real quick. This up here. Get this out of the way. Let me raise the hood. So, let me show y'all the screws. Okay. See, right here. It's actually, Royalty, come here. It's actually 7 screws, to be honest, because you have the screw right here that holds on to the headlight housing. I already removed that because I'm going to be replacing those too as well. Let's see if you can see. See that this one was removed already. So now we have to remove this one. Then this one. Then, I don't know if you can see back there, that one back there. That's the 3. Well, that's the 4 on the top that you have to remove in order to remove this fender. See, I don't know if you can see this screw, but it's on this, holding this clip back here for the bumper. Oops. bolts are. Actually, we have an 8th screw. So it's another one on this clip as well. I thought it was one because there's a diagram on Google where it shows only 6 bolts, but it's actually 8. Actually, it may not be. Hold on. It may not be. Yeah, it's not. It's just this extra one. So I don't have to move this one right here. This whole thing comes off. Okay, cool. So you guys, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it's 6 over here. And then behind it, there's 7 down here. So it's really 7 screws. Okay. Now we have to get the one that's inside the door. See if you can see. Oh, my baby thing too. Okay, I don't know if you can see this, but second, it's kind of hard. What you doing? It's this screw right here. Yeah. Oh. Oh. Loose already. See, this is this screw right here. It has a washer on it. See, I wouldn't know. I can always go make sure I put it back. All the screws back in the right place. Okay, we got that one. We got one more to get. And that's down here at the by the rocker panel. Okay, let me. Okay, let's see if I can put this up under here where you can see the little clamp. I doubt it. See, kind of pull it out a little bit already, but pull this clamp out right here. And one right here, we can go further if we need to. Get a little more room. Right here. Mom? And it's like a little clamp holding in right here too as well. Let's see that. I think I'm gonna remove the other clamp as well. Oh, this one's tough to come out. Be careful. Got dirt in my eye. Okay, let me tackle this, everyone, because I don't want the video to be too long. So I'll be right back, and I have to clean my eyes. I'll be right back as soon as I get it done. Y'all, that was a struggle. This is what the screw looked like after getting it out. It took me like another maybe 3 minutes to get it out after I got off the, I told y'all that I would be right back. See, this is what it looked like. Pointy end is not flat like the other screws. Okay, y'all, so we got all the screws out, so I got it sitting right here on top of my trash can. Raise this stand up so you guys can see when I take the fender off. Ratchet, come here, baby. My daughter just love being outside. She just don't know how to act. She be all in the driveway. Okay. Scratching all about them. Ratchet. Voila. Fender is removed. See? Fender is removed. I'll sit this over here on this side because I don't want my daughter messing with it. Fender is removed. And who said girls can't do a lot of things that guys can do? I removed the whole fender. It had 7 screws. 7. Not 1, not 2, not even 3. 7 screws. And one was extremely hard, the one that was down here. Extremely hard. Alright, guys, that's what it looked like. Front driver fender removed on the Equinox 2005 Chevy Equinox. Tomorrow we'll be putting on the new fender once that arrives. Alright, y'all. This is your girl Risha. This chick details. I'll be back with more videos. And we out. Peace out. Like, subscribe. Because I'm telling you, we doing a lot of things over here. Like I said, things that I don't know how to do, we're going to learn how to do it together. And if anyone has any inputs for me on anything, your inputs are welcome. Just hit it down in the comment section. All right, y'all. Peace out.